Dear brothers and sisters, in the first reading we heard about the Israelites, and the historians scratch their grey heads when they think of these ancient Israelites who had no education, no sense of organization, and managed to change the course of history. And the only answer we can give them, or we can get from them, is they say that they encountered the God at Mount Sinai. God who gave them the 10 Commandments and made a covenant with them. This is, I'm the living God. You will be my people. I will take care of you, but you have to make the covenant. And from then on, they were not the same people, the slaves. They became God's instrument on earth. And so God encounters them because He knew they will not just take His things, the covenant and the commandments, lightly. So He encounters them in the form of the voice of thunder and His glory of lightning. Lightning and thunder in the form of cloud. He guides them. He is with them. So Ignatius wanted to do the same. He wanted to have a close experience of intimate knowledge of Christ. He wanted to be like Jesus. Of course, you know the story of his conversion when he was helpless after being knocked down by a cannonball and all his vain glory and ego disappeared. He wanted to be like the saints, the stories which he read during convalescence. He wanted to be like Jesus. And so then he had to go to Jerusalem. There he wanted to encounter all the places which Jesus trod on, the way of the cross, the place where he was crucified, the places where Jesus went about of his apostolate. He went through all that. And then in the gospel reading, Jesus tells us, those who have little, that little will be taken away. Those who have more will be given. And then the disciples ask, but Lord, why you speak in parables? He says, you understand, you see what I have done, what I am doing, you are with me, and so you understand what I am telling you. You listen by hearing what I say, but it's not the same with the others. Their hearts and mind is closed to my word. They listen without hearing. They see without seeing, perceiving. So those words also affected Ignatius. And then through his prayer life, through his sacrifices and imitation of Jesus, he wanted to build on more and give more to the world. He wanted to transform the world by doing the work of Jesus, building the kingdom of God. So he was a soldier by profession in the world, which he gave up and became soldier of God and reached out to people. And so the experience of Jerusalem became the foundation of the lighthouse of hope. And that same experience Ignatius gave to his co-founders, St. Francis Xavier, Peter Faber, and others. And he went out to the world and transformed the world, and God multiplied his blessings and gifts.